All right, I'm not going to do very many of these because we did just kind of learn them. But here we have, this looks like mx plus b, so it's arithmetic. N is 15, so it is finite. A sub 1 is the very first term, so plug in 1. So I'll say f of 1 equals 9 times 1 minus 9 equals 0. So that would be 0. And then we also need to know what a sub n is. N is 15, so a sub 15. So plug in 15. 9 times 15 minus 9 would really just be 9 times 14, which is 126. This you will use in the formula for arithmetic finite. You would plug those in. I don't have time to do that right now, so I'm going to go on to the next one. This is adding 7. So this is arithmetic. D is 7, and N is 12. Okay, so they say dot, dot, dot just because you got to go to 12 terms, not because you have to find all of them forever and ever. Okay, so we need 3 things, N, A sub 1, and A sub N. So A sub 1 is 11, and A sub 12, we're going to actually have to get there. So we have the first term, the second term, the third term, the fourth term. Okay, the fifth term, I'm just afraid to do this in my head because I'm in a rush, so that would be that. 32 plus 7. This is the fifth term, sixth term, seventh term, 8th term, 9th term, 10th term, 11th term. That should be the 12th term, hopefully. Okay, and then you would plug this into arithmetic finite and hopefully get the right answer. Okay, I doubted myself, so I checked it and it's correct. All right, so these you should be able to plug in and get your arithmetic sum. Okay, looking at this one. This is geometric. You're timesing by 2 each time. And this is finite because it gives you a value for n. Geometric, finite. You need a sub 1, r, and n. N is 7. A sub 1 is 2. R is what you're timesing by. All you gotta do is plug that in for this. You should be able to get it. Looking at number 4. Ooh, infinity. So this is an infinite geometric. You need 2 things, a sub 1 and r. There's only a sum if the absolute value of r is less than 1. So, first of all, a sub 1 is negative 2. R is 1/5. Yay! There is a sum. So S is equal to negative 2 over 1 minus 1/5. That is negative 2 over 4/5. That is negative 2 times 5 over 4. So negative 5 over 2. Okay, I didn't need to plug that into the formula. I guess I just got carried away because that formula is pretty easy. Yeah, so that's probably not the one you needed me to do for you. All right. Well, such is life. This is geometric, and it is finite. So I need a sub 1, r, and n. A sub 1 is the number that's timesing by the multiplier. Oh, that's just 1. R is the number that's the multiplier that's being put to a variable power. And n is how many terms. So 7. And then this one is Yeah, so you would plug those into this formula, and then this one is infinite. A sub 1 is 9 over 16. R is 4/3, but 4/3 is greater than 1, so there's no sum. No sum.